future chefs of the Twin Cities. All right, I just took this out the oven literally 45 seconds ago. I have it here on my carving board. This is the final product. It's hot, it's fresh. I sprinkled a little cheese halfway through on top along with that butter. You see the seasoning, the basil and oregano, the butter and the parsley. Now you could cook this for like 5 more minutes if you want that ultimate golden brown, but I think this is perfect all the way through. I've already felt it. It's beautiful. It's delicious. The smells has my whole house smelling like an Italian pizzeria like never before. This is the final product. All right. It's just a beautiful sight to see. And you like cut into it, cut into it. I'm not gonna cut into it just yet. But if you make this and you make your own calzone, you can cut into it and eat it as much as you please. Me personally, I have a little thing where I just like to marvel at my product before it's done. Again, it's not the most perfect size, but it's pretty much as close to a half circle as you want. And like I said, the dough has risen beautifully. It's pretty hefty and it's easily a meal for two. Put it with a nice side salad, whatever, what have you. And this is your quick and easy recipe how to make a calzone. This is your finished product. You can have this on a dinner night with the family or you and another person, whatever, what have you. It's literally 30 minutes or less. Feature Chefs of the Twin Cities. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos. And you know, if you do comment, make sure you guys feel free to throw in suggestions about what you would like to see next. I'm all over the place when it comes to things I can create and things I can show you, but feel free to give me all of your input. It is all very much welcome. To all my future chefs out there in the Twin Cities above and beyond, I say thank you. And we are in the building, as you know, like I always say as well, we in the kitchen. All right, stay tuned for more videos. Until next time.